Exercise 3.2 Division in Algebra. We have learnt how to multiply expressions, right? Now we are going to learn how to divide the expressions. So first sum is 27y cube divided by 3y. Okay, this is only one term, so it is a monomial, and this one also contains only one term, so this is also a monomial. So I will show how to divide monomial and monomial. Division formation can be written like this. Already you know that, yes? So this is very easy. You can cancel. Okay, so instead of dividing step by step, we can do the cancel. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Okay, easy, right? So number term separately you want to cancel, then alphabetical terms you want to cancel it separately. Okay, let's cancel the alphabetical term. Okay, alphabetical term is nothing but variable term. Okay, so y cube divided by y cube divided by y. Here there is no power, so we can consider as 1. Okay, so we know that multiplication and division are just opposites. Am I correct? So when you are multiplying two variables, you will add the powers. So if it is a division, what do you want to do? Very simple. You want to do the subtraction. So we have a formula: a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. I will show you. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So the most important thing is the base should be same. So here this is y, this is also y. So y power 3 minus 1. Y power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 9 divided by 1 can be written as 9. Then y power 3 minus 1 is equal to y power 2, that is y square. So the answer is 9y square. Very simple. Yes. Let's see the second sum. So here we have whole square. In the previous exercise we have whole square or cube, I think so. So the same procedure you want to do for that sum also. So if it is whole square, you just expand it like this. What do you mean by whole square? You want to multiply the same thing 2 times. Okay, so 3xy the whole square is equal to 3xy into 3xy. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. So we have the answer 9x square y square divided by 9xy. 9xy. So 9x square y square divided by 9xy. Very easy. 9 and 9 cancel because 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. 9 and 9 got cancelled. Now this is very easy. X square, if there is no power, 1. So x square divided by x power 1. If it is in division, what you have to do? Do the subtraction. So x power 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then y square divided by y. Y square divided by y. So y power 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so if it is in division, if it is a like term, that is the most important thing. It should be a like term. If it is in division, you can subtract the powers. So x power 1, y power 1 can be written as xy. If the power is 1, you don't want to mention it. So the answer is xy. Very simple, no?